Introduce highlight features or overview summary of HNVHNV, Tab E30 Android 15 tablet, 10.1-inch tablet. There are features include: the E30 tablet arrives in 2025 as a fully upgraded device designed to meet the demands of modern users. Running on the latest Android 15 operating system, it introduces a range of customization options, improved privacy and security controls, and an ad-free experience. At its core, the tablet is powered by the new T7200 Octa-core processor clocked at 2.0 GHz, which ensures faster startup times, smooth responsiveness, and wide compatibility with applications. This makes the device an ideal option for multitaskers, professionals, students, and entertainment lovers alike. To support performance, the E30 tablet integrates 24 GB memory, 8 GB physical plus 16 GB virtual, and 128 GB storage, 64 GB internal plus 64 GB TF card. For those who need even more space, the system supports up to 2 TB expandable storage, ensuring that storing movies, games, documents, and apps will never be an issue. Visual performance is equally impressive thanks to its HD IPS display, which delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. Eye protection technology is built into the screen, reducing blue light emissions and screen flicker to minimize eye strain during long hours of use. With 5 megapixels front and 8 megapixels rear cameras, the tablet is suitable for video calls, online learning, and casual photography. Battery life is a key feature, with a 6000 mAh large-capacity battery combined with a low-power CPU, offering up to 8 hours of continuous use. When charging is needed, the Type-C interface with 18-watt PD fast charging allows the device to fully recharge in just 1.5 hours, saving valuable time for active users. Connectivity is enhanced with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, both offering faster, more stable connections for browsing, streaming, and connecting accessories. This ensures smooth online experiences and efficient multitasking. Finally, the E30 is designed to be thin, lightweight, and durable, complete with an eco-friendly protective case and screen film to guard against scratches, dust, and accidental drops. Altogether, the E30 tablet provides exceptional value in its price range, offering power, portability, and protection for everyday digital life. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.